Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the Vivitar model and that your PC has the required USB port. This avoids bandwidth issues later. Once done, plug the Xbox HDMI OUT into the capture card HDMI in and run the capture card HDMI OUT to your TV so gameplay stays visible. Make sure the capture card's USB goes to the PC now. Install drivers if prompted, or let Windows enumerate the device. This gets essential hardware online and prevents signal loss when you move to software setup next. With hardware connected, open OBS Studio or the Vivitar app and add the capture device as a video source so the PC receives the feed. Next, match resolution and frame rate to the Xbox output, typically 1080p at 60 frames per second for smooth gameplay, or 720p at 30 if bandwidth is limited, because mismatched settings cause lag or black screen. Then configure audio capture. Choose stereo. Select the capture card as the input, and test levels while monitoring on headphones to avoid clipping or silence during recording. Now begin recording or streaming by choosing recorder settings. Set bitrate appropriate to upload, pick software or hardware encoder based on CPU, and confirm the output path. If you see dropped frames or high CPU, lower resolution or switch to the hardware encoder to reduce load and make incremental changes while testing. If the feed goes black or audio is missing, check the HDMI cable seating. Try a different USB port, preferably USB 3.0, and update drivers, often a simple
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.